You can print a self-test using the configuration program on your computer, or we are going to show you how to generate a self-test using just the printer. First, turn off the printer. Then hold down the printer button on top of the printer and then turn the printer back on. Continue to hold down the button until the light flashes amber, then release the button while the light is still flashing. A self-test will then print out. The test will show you a grayscale pattern for print quality, the printer system's information, firmware data, date and time, printer settings such as speed and density, label size, RS232 setting, print darkness, and interface connections. After printing the test, be sure to turn your printer off and then on again to cycle power to the printer so it's ready to print.